But sometimes, because of confidentiality clauses, I may not be able to publicly give you all these details on what's happening in the diamond sector. But we access that kind of information. So it is important for government to adopt voluntary principles to disclose diamond production and revenue streams. Because the diamond sector has been suffering from what we call a pretense of its members that failure is success. So the diamond sector has been affected by corruption, illicit financial flows, and other ills associated with it. Then artisanal and small-scale mining. I think all are aware of the Battlefields disaster. And this has put a spotlight on a sector that is already affected by criminality. In some areas like Rwanda, you have gold gangs roaming around, wielding machetes and knives, knob carries, hitting each other and killing each other. And that's a crisis that we have to deal with in that sector. And also unsafe working conditions in the sector. And the fact that artisanal mining, for example, is not fully legalized or formalized. It is legalized by stealth, as I call it. The reason being, there is only the Environmental Management Act which recognizes artisanal mining. But those guys are not formally recognized, despite the fact that artisanal and small-scale mining contributed about 21 tons of gold in 2018. So it's important in terms of moving forward. Maybe if I can make some recommendations. One, we need to promote transparency and accountability in the mining sector by joining the EITI, or Extractive Industry Transparency Initiative, and also joining possibly the Open Government Partnership, OGP. These are new aspects.